touch. I needed to distance myself from you. I was just in love with you. So I come close, won't you? Won't you? Can I tell you something for what it's worth? When you have this place on earth, and I will take you there. I'll take you, show you something, give you more than words. When you have this place on earth, and I will take you there.
Y'all, we're getting ready for Thanksgiving. We got our turkey tails. We got our turkey Polish sausage, okay, kielbasa sausage, okay. We got our salmon steaks, all right. We got some red snapper. We got some jumbo shrimps. We got some crab legs, okay. We're getting ready, y'all. I'm making gumbo. So I'm making some gumbo. I'm making lasagna. I'm making apple pie. I'm making gumbo with wild rice, of course. I'm making probably a potato salad or macaroni salad. I'm making some collard greens, some green beans, southern green beans and potatoes. What else am I making? Some other things, but yeah, so we got the seafood on deck. Okay, let's get into the ingredients. These are the seasonings we will be using for our baked chicken wings, okay? You can use a tablespoon of each, or as much as you like, or less as you like, okay? We will be using that Better Than Bouillon chicken base, okay? So we can pour into our baking dish, and I have our fresh herbs here that I plucked from my garden. I just wanted to make a little something so we are not hungry during me cooking for Thanksgiving. So we have some herbs from my indoor garden, okay, that we are going to go ahead and mince. Okay, we are going to go ahead and mince. And since we're using all of these herbs, okay, we're using them all in our barbecue chicken tonight. So just to review, I just wanted to review this with you and show you the cutting board and see if it does its job by holding in place. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and pick these off, and then I'll be back with you shortly. Alright, so we have our Thai basil, okay, we have our winter thyme, we have our cheville, okay, curly cheville. And then we have some lemon balm. Did I say lemon balm already? So yeah, lemon balm, Thai basil, curly cheville, and winter thyme. There's nothing like fresh herbs right out your own garden, y'all. This is all going in one dish, so it doesn't matter if it all, you know. Oop. I moved it, y'all. So it doesn't matter if it gets mixed up or not. Really, it doesn't. All of our herbs are all minced together. So I'm going to go ahead and place this in the bowl dish, and then we're going to get to the next thing, which is we need to get our chicken seasoned, right? We're just going to smash the garlic, okay, a little bit. We're just going to roughly chop them, okay? I don't need the garlic minced. What I do need is it infused in our juices, okay? That's what I do. So roughly chop these. Alright. Just gonna roughly chop them and make sure they are flowing throughout this, dish. Happy Thanksgiving to everybody. Okay. Spend time with your family, love on each other, and enjoy. So we added all of our veggies to the bacon dish. So now we are going to blend up all the seasonings that you saw at the beginning of this video in herbs and spices and things. We're going to mix that up in that dish there, and then we're going to go ahead and make us some stock or broth using the bouillon chicken base. Okay, I love better than bouillon. That is the best thing that you can use in any of your dishes to bring that flavor. Okay, and I didn't show at the beginning, I used some freshly cracked peppercorn medley, and I also added some ground ginger. I think I did show that in the beginning, but yes, some ground ginger, and blend that all together. So you're going to just boil you some hot water and then pour it in a mixing dish that is heat proof. Okay, so make sure that it is heat proof, and you're gonna go ahead and pour about 2.5 cups of water in there, and then get you some hefty scoops of the better than bouillon chicken base, and go ahead and mix that up. You're gonna see me go in, so get you a nice hefty and blend it very well. Get it married together with that hot water and the chicken bouillon base, and so you can bring the flavors out, okay? Because we're going to use this to pour over our chicken wings. And of course, I forgot to cut up some celery, so that's what I'm doing here to add to our green peppers, onions, and all that good stuff in the baking dish. So let's get this cut up. All right, so our base is ready, y'all. Meanwhile, preheat your oven to 350 degrees. And you're going to bake for an hour or until your chicken is tender and golden brown. So all our veggies is in the baking dish. Now we're going to go ahead and add our seasoning, some herbs to the dish. And now we're going to add in our broth that we made with the better than bouillon chicken base. And then, of course, that wasn't enough, so I'm going to make a little bit more mixture to add to this. But remember, our chicken is going to make its own juices as well, so you don't need too much. Add some more of our seasoning blend on top of the chicken, because we need the flavor. Okay, bring the flavor. Wrap this baby up in some aluminum foil, and voila, baked chicken is delicious. It is nice and moist in the inside and golden on the outside, like I like it. So there you have it. You got our southern green beans and potatoes and that delicious baked chicken. Oh my God. Voila, voila. Make you some. Thank you for watching. I appreciate each and every one of y'all. And as I always say, I love you. Stay blessed and peace out. Later.